Hello children, welcome to Nivedita School online classes. Children, today we are going to learn about lesson number 4, the Western Desert part 2. Yes children, in previous class we learnt about what is desert. A desert is a flat area covered with loose sand, children. Yes. Then in our country, India has a huge desert to the southwest of the northern plains. This is the Indian desert. There are small hills of loose sand called sand dunes in the desert, children. They are of many shapes and sizes. Here the climate in desert is very hot and dry winds blow here. They carry large amount of sand from one place to another. These winds can move the sand dunes from one place to another. Sand dunes means small hills of sand. Yes children, there are very few streams in the desert. They mostly remain dry. At some places underground water comes to the surface. These places are called the oases. Yes children, fertile area in a desert where underground water is available is called oases. These places are called oases. Date, palm grow here. The land around an oasis is fertile. We can see the villages near the oasis. The desert regions remain hot and dry throughout the year. Then the sun heats the sand. The sand becomes hot very quickly. One more interesting thing, it also cools down very quickly at night. Thus the days in summer are very hot but nights are very cool. The hot dusty winds blow here all over the day in summer. In winter the days are warm but the nights are very cold. So the climate in the desert swings between extremes, children. A hot and dry climate means that big trees cannot grow here. So plants, but they can survive in on little water grow here, such as cactus. Isn't it? So our desert, sometimes there is no rainfall, children. There are few deep wells at some places, so water is always in short supply. See children, do you know village women walk long distances to get the water for domestic use? So the government of Rajasthan is trying to provide water not only for the household use but also the irrigate the fields, children. Water from the river Satluj has been brought to the desert through the Rajasthan canal, also called the Indira Gandhi canal. See, this canal help the farmers to different crops like help the farmers to grow different crops like wheat, jowar and bajra, children. Today we are going to learn about life in the region. How their life in the desert. We will learn that. See, life in a desert is very hard, children. It is very hard to lead the life in the desert because there is no rainfall or less rainfall. The climate is very hot during the daytime and very cold in the night. Then they are facing the scarcity of water also. So life is very difficult in this region, children. That's why what the people doing, they are moving from one place to another place to search the food. See, here no people, they rearing the goats and sheeps. People, those who are moving from one place to another in search of food and fodder and grass for their animals, these people are called Banjaras. Some of them are good blacksmiths children. They are wearing iron articles. Then blacksmiths, they make and sell iron articles. They make and sell the iron articles that travel from one place to another place. They are decorating their carts children. See, you can see on the screen children, they are decorating their carts. They are called Gaudilia Lahore. Okay. Yes children. Next. Camels are the most useful animals in a desert. Why children? Because they have padded feet which make it easy for them to move on the. Camels are most useful animals in a desert. Why? Because they have padded feet which make it easy for them to walk on the sand children. See, they are used by the Rajasthani farmers in their field also. How we are using bullocks? No children, here they are using camels. Okay. Then they are used the Rajasthani farmers in their fields and for carrying heavy goods also, a heavy load. See, camels have padded feet which make it easy for them to walk on the sand. See here. So, see, while we are walking on the sand also, it's for us no, it's little bit difficult, isn't it? Yes, but camels can move on the sand very easily because they have padded feet. See, they are also used by the group of people for traveling long distances across a desert. See children, they are using the camels to travel the long distances. Group of people, they are moving from one place to another place in search of food, isn't it? So, they are using camels to carry their loads. Yes children, such groups are known as caravans. The camel is rightly called the ship of the desert. See, ship of the desert in the camel is the ship of desert because camels are very useful in the desert children. See children, they are moving from one place to another in a group. They are using the camels. So we can call camels are the ships of the desert. Yes children, the people of Rajasthan wear colorful clothes. See, you can see on the screen. Bright colors. They are wearing bright colors. Colorful clothes. The women wear long, brightly colored skirt or a lehenga. See, here you can see this is the lehenga. Yes children. Lehenga, a blouse and a chunni or odni. This is odni. It's the blouse. Okay. See, the men wear a dhoti, kurta and a turban which is worn in a particular manner. See here it is a turban. Men wear a turban. Okay. It is also called a headgear. Okay. Yes children. Next, the people here in Rajasthani people speak Hindi and Rajasthani. See children, Rajasthan. Here people are speaking in Hindi and Rajasthani. East, west, north, south. Western desert. Okay. Yes. They are celebrating festivals like Dasara, Diwali, Holi and Eid. And they are celebrating most important festivals like Gangur and Teej children. These two festivals are the very important festival for the Rajasthani people. See children, Gangur is celebrated in a March month. March, the month of harvesting wheat and grams, children. How we are celebrating Sankranti, no children? Like that they are celebrating Gangur. Tees comes in July or August, the months of rain. Rainy season, they are celebrating Tees. All women are seen on the swings with a special makeup and dress. See, always they are wearing long kurti, chunni or odni and blouse. They are wearing the different types of ornaments, children. If we see them, we want to wear that types of dress and ornaments, isn't it? People love to singing and dancing. Ghumar is a popular dance of Rajasthan. See, Ghumar dance is the popular dance in the Rajasthan, children. See, they are celebrating Tees. They are dancing. They are happily. They are dancing, singing. See, children, all they wear dark, bright colors only, children. Bright colors. All women are seen on the swings with the special makeup and dress. See, children, special makeup is there and they wear special dress also. Next, Katputli or puppet. Players of Rajasthan are famous all over India. Yes, children, Katputli. See, when we visited in our hospital only, Vijayasri Heritage was there, no children. Now it is not there. When we visited Vijayasri Heritage, we can see these all Katputli, Ghumar dance and all, isn't it? Yes, children. It is also very special players are there in the Rajasthan, children. Okay. Yes. This is all about life in the desert. The western desert, children. Okay. Next class we will learn about the monuments, temples and forts of the Rajasthan. Okay. Thank you, children.